After a while I managed to arrange some lessons at night with the teacher. Means he was going to school at night after the day's work was done. These night lessons were so welcome that I think I learned more at night than the other children did during the day. But my boyish heart was still set upon going to the day school, and I did not miss any opportunity to push my case. Meaning is that Booker was going to night school. Maybe he was learning really well, but actually he had a dream to go to day school. He still wanted to go to day school. As you can see in this picture, he is requesting that and expressing his desire that I want to go to a day school. Okay, so finally I was permitted to go to school in the day after a few months. Clear? For a few months he got a permission from his father that he could go to day school. He was very happy, but one condition was there. The understanding was that I must rise early in the morning and work in the furnace till 9 o'clock. Return immediately after school closed in the afternoon for at least 2 more hours of work. What is the meaning of these lines? Booker got permission to go to day school, but actually still there was one trouble. He had to wake up early in the morning. He had to go to the furnace to work. After finishing work, he was going to school at 9 o'clock. Up to 9 o'clock he had to work there. And after coming from school again he had to work. See, whole day he was working. Early in the morning he was going to the furnace to work. Up to 9 o'clock he was working there, going to school, coming back and again working. Okay. Problem was that his school timing was also 9 o'clock. He got a leave from the work at 9 o'clock. Same time was there of school. So after working up to 9 o'clock, when he was going to school, he was always getting late. Okay. The school was at some distance from the furnace where I now worked, and as I had to work till 9 o'clock and the school opened at 9, I found myself in difficulties. School would always begin before I reached it. To get around this difficulty, I did something wrong. Perhaps it will people will condemn me for that what I did, but since it is a fact, I might as well state it. Okay, meaning is that he was facing much trouble to we can say solve this problem. He did something wrong. So what did he do wrong? Okay, what wrong thing he did? Let's read.